Welcome you. Today we have some mushrooms ahead of us. We're gonna fry some of them today, freshly picked. We have some red pine mushrooms, freshly picked today. As you can see, they are so tasty, and I'm gonna show you how to fry them to make it tasty. So we went to a similar forest today. And we picked them up fresh. Very, very beautiful mushrooms. They are kind of brightly orange colored, and well, they are extremely tasty if you fry it on butter. As you can see, we have already buns in the oven, so this is time to begin. All right, let's put the gas on. All right, so we have the gas on now, and I think time to begin frying. So if you don't want to burn your butter, put a tad of oil on it, on the frying pan before you add the butter. Okay, so this is a nice technique which allows you to actually not burn the butter. Obviously, you see some more recipes. You can see the parasol mushroom being fried on our channel as well. See some tasty baking and food recipes. Just type in dzikieswinie food or dzikieswinie recipe and you're gonna find plenty of those. So this is how we're gonna do it. And well, it's gonna be perfect. So this is gonna be our supper today. So if you want to have real good food, prepare some fresh buns, get some wine going, and obviously fry those red pine mushrooms on butter. And the recipe is really simple. You don't need anything. So you clean those mushrooms up after you've picked them. Then you put them on the frying pan in the butter. And when they're done, when you've done putting them on, you add a bit of salt and pepper, and that's enough to make them very tasty in the end. Trzymaj tak, tylko nie zasłaniaj paluchami. Okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is put some of them on the frying pan. It's the big ones we're gonna halve. The small ones we can put directly on. And it's gonna be real good. So if you've never had those, you better try them. They are really, really good. Oh, you can already smell the aroma. There's nothing better than wild mushrooms, guys. If you're just having the ones which are available commercially, I don't think you've ever tasted good mushrooms. They are really brittle, so you don't have to cut them, you can just break them in half. Oh, the smell is extremely nice. It's very aromatic, this mushroom. Alright, now like I said, grab a bit of salt. And pepper. Now let them fry, and they're gonna be ready, served. So let me get back to you guys when they are nice and fried, and I'm gonna show you how to serve them with a nice bun and a bit of wine. As you can see, the mushrooms are almost done. We fried them for about 5 minutes or so. They are nice and golden brown and very nice. Some of them have become more crispy than others. And the aroma is really extremely pleasant. So I think it's time to serve. So let me show you guys some of the wonders of nature. In Polish we call it dary lasu, so the fruit of the forest, or the gifts from the forest, from nature. So we have a proposal, serving proposal here. So take a look, guys. All right. So as you can see, here's the plate for today's wonderful supper. And this is a serving suggestion, obviously with some red wine. And this is really good. You should try it someday. So again, red pine mushrooms, extremely tasty when fried on butter, and some fresh buns. So thanks for watching, guys. See more recipes on our channel.